Hey everybody, it's Durf, and I wanted to see what would happen if I subdivided the Tesla Cybertruck in a 3D modeling program. What does it actually look like if you smooth out all these random corners? So here I have a 3D model of a Tesla Cybertruck. Let's just go ahead and select it and just smooth it right away. Boom. You know, the front actually looks like a normal car now. Not gonna lie, it looks a lot more believable for what a car should be. The wheel wells are actually round. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with the side windows. Those are very wonky. Let's just go ahead and try again. Alright, not much difference. It's not going to get any much different from here on out. Although, why does the back remind me of a Kia? Huh. Let's try this in Blender. Alright, so here we have the same Tesla Cybertruck model. Let's just go ahead and subdivide. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is happening? Hold on. Hold on, I'm not ready for this yet. What? Okay, I just wanted to make sure my model wasn't doing anything, like, crazy. No, it's fine. What the heck? It actually looks a lot like the camping gear that they preview on their website. What is this curve? Do you see that? Like, wow, ride the wave, dude. And, like, dummy thick. Like, look at those cheeks. And then, like, it got these, like, wing things on the sides. Like, what? What? And somehow I feel like this is gonna be more aerodynamic than the Tesla Cybertruck. That doesn't make any, like, what is... It's pretty bad. The clearance, the ground clearance on that, like, oh boy. This truck's got some titties. Yeah, it just felt like doing a little bit of a silly video today. Let me know what you think about the thick boy Tesla truck down in the comments below. Hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Look at that wavy bumper foothold. Oh yeah.